Something a little bit different today. I'm actually in this old Soviet hotel in Tskaltubo in Georgia. And I just thought I'd pop on and do a one-take video. Let's see how this goes, because I'm filming on my own. But I really love the colours in this hotel. It's 3 floors, each one's different, each got different colours. So I'm going to capture some shots and pop up a quick video, hopefully with minimal editing, to show you exactly what it is we're shooting. And also to give you a few tips along the way. So let's try and do this now. So the first thing to point out, as you'll see here, is my tripod. Check that out. So I've actually pulled it closer together, and the reason why I've pulled it closer together is because there's this carpet down here. You'll see it running all the way through the hotel, and I don't want my tripod to keep slipping. It keeps slipping on the floor, so I don't want that. So I've nipped the legs closer together so that it doesn't go anywhere. The next thing as well is I'm at medium height. I'm trying to photograph the room with my camera in SO height. So basically, if it's not too low, not too high, trying to keep it kind of in the middle of the room. So my tripod's set so it's about this height, the center of the room. And I'm just photographing straight down the middle with a wide angle lens, around about 17 millimeters. And only because my wide angle is on this camera, I'm not using something more like a 35 millimeters and coming further back. I've actually only got 2 lenses with me today, so it's quite difficult to do, but I may try going downstairs and grabbing Jade's lens to crop, compress the scene a little bit more. So yeah, it's really nice. I love the curtains. I love how everything's been left. Most of the floors, the furniture has been removed. So yeah, let's try and grab a photo. So I'm going to pop the camera on. It's the first thing. Oh, my battery's dead. Of course it is. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to grab a new battery. Nice and simple. Pop that in here. Got my bag just down on the floor, so that's nice and easy. Pop a new battery in. Again, excuse the light, kind of got this burst coming through. Pop a new battery in. And the first thing is I'm going to show you the back of the screen. That's my shot. First of all, we're on ISO 100, f8, center of the room. The thing that's challenging in here is actually that I see these lights, they're not actually in the middle. If I put this in the center of the room, you'll see the chandeliers hanging are actually on slightly different trajectories to the floor here, the carpet. So that's a bit annoying, but still a really nice scene. So I'm going to try and do it again anyway, make sure we've got it. What we got here, so ISO 100, I'm grabbing obviously 3 brackets, so I'm going to grab those, splitting them 2 apart, 2 over, 2 under, and I'm just going to shoot that one scene and see what we got. So I'm focusing on something around about infinity, so at the back of the room. I'm actually not too worried if the walls nearest are actually going to blow out of focus. So I'm just going to, if they're out of focus, but they're not going to, they're going to be fine. It looks good. It would actually look quite good, a little bit soft, even if it was a little bit out, because the scene looked really nice, like the colours, and it kind of suits kind of a soft image. That looks really good. So I'm rolling with that, and let's go to another floor. Okay, we're back again. So right beside where I was, I found this other shot. I've kind of got it set up on the screen here. There is a lot of bees and a lot of wasps, and also, was it just bees? It's just bees and flies. Here on the screen. So framing this columns and posts, and then this central chandelier in the middle of the shot. And I've actually lifted, I'm using my tilt shift for this one, I'm actually lifting it up to try and get a little bit more of that ceiling and less of the ground and the columns. So I've actually risen the lens up quite a bit actually, because I'm actually just using just the windows. I'm going to just raise it, let me just grab that there, I'm just going to pull it up, just so we get a little bit more of that ceiling structure. There we go. It's kind of something a little bit different actually. It's just the center. So I'm placing the chandelier basically exactly in the middle of the frame, and I'm just grabbing that shot. I'm going to shoot on f8 again. I'm going to focus actually on the chandelier because it's right in the middle. So I'm just going to pull my frame up. There it is. I'm just focusing. There's a lot of flies and bees in there. So I'm just going to grab that shot and that's it really. Again, 3 brackets still set up from just out there in the corridor. And I'm going to grab that photo and that's it. It's simple. Second shot in the bag. We're good. And I think that's everything. I'll show you some more clips around the hotel, but I don't want this video to go on like I said, so that's it. Quick, 1 take video, 2 shots, 2 spots in this former Soviet hotel. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe and all that good stuff, and of course tickle the like button as usual, and I'll see you next week for more photography, and I promise I'll try and be on time. That's all for now. Bye bye.